Chaos Rising time. So we have 4 packs and a booster bundle left. And so we're gonna see what we get out of these 4 packs. Donkey, Froggy, Chad, Sprout, High Duels, Deoxys, whoever that is, Dawn Fan, another Sliggoo! We love Sliggoo! We love Sliggoo! I would open more right now, but Jules wanted to be on my lap to watch the rain. Next pack! Gobat, Chespin, Esper, Mareep, Deoxys, Policy, oh my god, Tauros, Beldum. Oh, next pack! Artillery, Ampy, Beldum, Gona, Prison Tower, Zubat, Pharaoh Seed, ooh, Mega Gallade. I don't have that one, that's sick. Last pack magic! Zooey Mama.